Welcome to IMMERSE. Now that you've set up your account, you're ready to dive into learning. But first, let's customize your experience. Click the gear icon on the right of the menu bar to open your platform settings. Here, you can adjust sound and audio for the best experience, change the display language, and activate accessibility features. For your language focus, fluency level, or avatar, click your profile icon next to the gear. Here, you can change your language focus, your current level, or your avatar. Ready to learn? Click the Learning Path tab to begin an AI-powered, self-paced lesson. The page automatically takes you to where you left off, or you can scroll to choose a different section. Let's click the yellow arrow to expand the section. Then, hover over lesson styles to click on Redo Lessons, Continue Lessons, or Start a new lesson. Once complete, you'll receive AI-generated lesson feedback, which will be viewable under this page icon right here. To explore our live class prep materials, toggle on the Live Class option right here within the Learning Path. This expands the section to show additional activities associated with each self-paced lesson. Click Prepare to access some flashcards, fill in the blank, and pronunciation practice. Then, let's go and click on Practice. Once here, you can switch between activities by clicking on the three-line drop-down menu at the top right and selecting a different one. Or you can return to the homeroom by clicking the yellow exit door icon right here and click Return to Menu. Looking to connect with other learners in social, low-stress environment? Head to the Community tab right here. Here, you'll find the language exchange, a courtyard scene called the Commons. It's open to all learners regardless of language or level. This is a fantastic place to connect globally. For language-specific interactions, explore our public scenes that rotate hourly. Or you can click on Private, hover over a location. In this case, I'm going to select the networking event, and you need to create a code. You need to enter a 4 to 12 letter code. In this case, I'm writing IMMERSE. So you can create and join. Let's click Join. Once inside a public or private scene, you can walk using arrows or WASD keys. You can also press Shift to walk faster, like this. And you can rotate by clicking and dragging. I'm going to click and drag to the right to look right, and click and drag to the left to look to left. You can also interact with different objects. So for example, you can sit on a bench by clicking Sit. Once seated, you can grab a pizza, for example, by clicking Grab. You can eat it, you can destroy it, or you can also place it on different surfaces. You can access your learning tools by pressing Space or clicking the toolbox, A on right controller in VR. Here you have access to your backpack, camera, scanner, laser, or notes. A unique feature here is our open conversation AI avatars. To start a conversation, either teleport to an avatar or simply walk up to them within the scene. Then click the rainbow chat icon to begin.
Hello, my name is Anika. I work here. What is your name?
To exit a conversation, walk backward or click Exit Full Screen. And to leave the scene entirely, press Escape or the three-line dot at the top left to open the Settings menu, and then let's select Leave. Back in the homeroom, for more tutorials on movements and interactions, let's click the Live Preserver icon between the gear and profile picture. You can also access the Help Center right here. Before entering a community scene to practice with another learner or an open conversation, you may wish to create a list of phrases or grammatical notes to help you while chatting. That's where the Review tab comes in handy. Here you can create and curate your own personal notes lists that are accessible while in community scenes. Let's click Create, enter your text, and click Save Changes. Once in your list, you can edit or delete notes at any time. And that's it. You're now ready to start exploring IMMERSE and dive into your language learning journey. Welcome to the community.